This is Ethereum time frame off the daily chart. Each candle represents a day here, and I had mentioned in my previous video yesterday off this primary downtrend line off the April highs would provide an objective and or aggressive entry short trade setup, and we got it here. Beautiful reaction right off the primary downtrend line here, and that was good for, call it a 6% drop. 6% drop here, and again, beautiful reaction off of it. We got the MACD and oscillator already sunken below its zero line, so again, the bigger picture still remains bearish. Bullish case scenario, you're gonna want to see you know, them step in and a breakout above this primary downtrend line. You know, the daily time frame is damaged. It's still damaged. We got a you know, pretty steep divergences here in the RSI as well, but again, this is the bigger picture, really off that inverse head and shoulder that did play out, was bullish at the time, but again, a breakout above would be bullish and still take this picture, you know, turn this picture around and make it more of a bullish trend here. But again, everything that's been played out here off the highs here, we are in a downtrend here. We've been in a downtrend here. So we'll see if we can break out and start stair stepping up above. That's bullish. But if we continue this downtrend here, again, the bigger picture still remains bearish. We'll zoom in here on the 4-hour chart, each candle representing 4 hours here, and those positive and or bullish divergences still remain intact here on the 4-hour time frame with a bullish falling wedge pattern here. You know, that's exactly what you want to see. Maybe you'll see a run back up above this primary downtrend line off the April highs, and again, the more consolidation the better, and as long as we have these bullish and or positive divergences still intact, because if they burn through and we burn through this and retest this 236 fib retracement at that 25 level, 2500 level, let's see, we'll call it 2579. I'll add a little chart here. That'll be your really your last resort, in my opinion, because it will not only burn off the divergences here at that 25.79.59 236 fibs retracement level. That is your ultimate shorting op, and if it breaks down below, again, it's had some violent tendencies in the past. Every single time it's broken through. So again, that's a pretty key level to watch out there. And that's something on the bullish case scenario you don't want to see. You know, as far as the bullish case scenario, you want to see a little bit of consolidation, keep these positive divergences intact, and then you'd want to see a breakout, maybe a back test off that 28.35.84, and then start stair stepping higher. That's exactly what you want to see. So we'll zoom here on the 60-minute chart, each candle representing 60 minutes here, and I'd mentioned that primary uptrend line here as an objective short trade op. If it breaks down, issued a 1-hour sell signal here, and again, never look back. And we did briefly whipsaw back up above this 2808 price support here, so it was met with some velocity here. As soon as you get this confirmation candle here, hey, this is your chance to take a little scalp, go long for a simple quick day trade, and that was good for almost a full percent. Yeah, almost a good full percent. And if you still got that long intact, you might want to hold out, and if not, collect some quick profit. But I'd say probably a gun back up to 28.84.22 would could potentially be in the cards, especially coinciding with that 50 hourly moving average with that 28.98.11 price support, price resistance, excuse me. So we'll see. We'll see if it happens. We do have a crossover here on the MACD. This is very near-term stuff, very near-term picture. So it's not the full picture, but again, if you took it right after bobbing up above and whipsawing above this 28.08 price support that I had in my previous video, then you could get a back test, maybe sell right here, or maybe a little bit before it. You know, you want to sell a little bit and or cover when you're shorting a little bit before the key price support level and or price price resistance level. So we'll see what happens. We do have a potential crossover here on the MACD oscillator, and again, that's it's got to break that zero line. If not, that sort of acts like a resistance pattern too. So we'll see what happens. If there's anything new that develops and materializes, I'll keep you updated.